In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new lavalier microphone that I actually am excited to be using for my own YouTube setup. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright you guys, what I got here is the PHOTRY wireless lavalier microphone. So pretty much PHOTRY reached out to me and they asked if I could review their microphone. I gladly agreed because not only am I excited to review this, but I would love to have a wireless lavalier microphone. A lot of times lavalier microphones are wired and they hook directly up to your iPhone or your computer or wherever it may be. And in this situation, I now will be able to have a completely wireless lavalier microphone. So I'm excited to see how this performs, how it sounds, and how easy is it to actually use. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I'm going to just open it up like so. Kind of feels similar to like an Apple vibe with the AirPods and the packaging. Really nice looking. Wow, look at that. Right here is the receiver. And it looks like this is metal right here, but it's actually just like a fake kind of like looking metal plastic. And it just opens up like so. And that's where you would put in the actual lavalier microphone to charge with those two prongs that you see right there. So they would hook onto that. And then as you can see right here, there's 4 dots and you'll be able to see them a little bit better once I start unboxing the actual lavalier part. And then there's the USB-C input and the headphone input. It looks super small. Honestly, it looks like the size of my thumb. Look at that. It's crazy how small it is. And just to show you guys for size comparison, this is the Shure MV7, which is supposed to be a small microphone. Look at this, okay? It's tiny, but I love that, okay? We love the portability of this thing. And it's also, it should be tiny because it's a lavalier microphone and you want to just use this on the go. In order to charge this lavalier microphone, all you have to do is open up the compartment like so. Make sure it lines up with those 2 prongs, close it, and then you will now see those dots. So that will show how charged the actual lavalier microphone is. So right now it's got 3 dots, there's up to 4 dots. So I will have to charge this a little bit just so that it's full strength, but it is showing that it has up to 20 hours of battery life. So not too bad. That's actually great, to be honest. Like 20 hours, I don't know anyone that's gonna be filming for 20 hours, but you never know. And so yeah, then I will show you guys underneath. It comes with this nice premium looking kind of shiny bag. And in here, there's a bunch of different cables. So we have a bunch of like aux cables, and then we have the charging cable. So USB-A to USB-C. And then if you do have a computer or device where it's USB-C to USB-C, you're fortunate, and also they provide that for you, which is great. And then they also provide you this kind of huge looking clip. Now you don't want to mistake this with the actual lapel microphone. You know, that could accidentally happen. They almost look the same and they both have clip functionalities, okay? But this is actually for the receiver. So you would use this because it's got a magnet on the back, and you would just put it like so, and then you would just hook it on to your phone or whatever device you're trying to have this connect to, and then you put this on your shirt, whatever you're kind of comfortable with. All right, so that is how you can kind of wear this lavalier microphone. Then to actually get this lavalier microphone to turn on, all you have to do is there's a button on the back right here. Once you start holding down those 2 buttons, then what should happen is this blue light should appear like so. That means that this is actually on, which is great, okay? Now what we need to do is actually attach this, and it's gonna show a blue light right there. You kind of can see it, might look a little blurry, but we're gonna attach this to the device we need to connect it to, and then we're gonna put this on our shirt. So let's see if we can actually get this to work. All right, so I'm gonna put it like so. Then I'm gonna hook this up, and I'm going to actually hook this up to my computer. what do you guys think of the sound of this lav microphone? This is me talking really close to it. This is me a little farther away, talking this direction, talking that direction, talking straight on. I'm really far away from it. I'm getting closer to the receiver, and the receiver right now is just plugged in to my actual laptop. You can also hook it up to your phone if you want to as well through these cords right here, all right? And then if you also want to hear the audio, you can actually plug it in to the receiver. So let me try doing that right now actually. All right, so I'm going to plug this in and see if I can hear myself talk. All right, so this is what the wireless lavalier microphone sounds like at the moment. And right now I can hear what I sound like with my headphones on, which is great. Now let's do a comparison check between this microphone and my really expensive Shure MV7 microphone to see if we notice much of a sound difference. All right, so right now you are listening to the wireless lav microphone from PHOTRY. Now we're gonna switch over to the Shure MV7. All right, so now this is what the Shure MV7 microphone sounds like. Do you notice much of a difference? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, so that was a sound comparison between the Shure MV7 and the PHOTRY wireless lav microphone. If you guys are interested in getting the $67 wireless lav microphone, I'll have a link to it in the description below. If you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks.